Freedom Quilt Blocks. Let's get started. Today we're going to investigate shoe fly, monkey wrench, crossroads, hourglass, star, and flying geese. Let's begin with hourglass. When I look at it, I will need 4 squares. Take a square and fold it in half diagonally. I'll need to do that 4 times to get my triangles. Cut carefully your 4 squares into 8 triangles. 4 squares into 8 triangles. Let's start with the hourglass quilt code. Hourglass, done. Now let's move on to the flying geese quilt code, using the same 8 triangles. Done. Next, we'll try the crossroads quilt code. This one also takes 8 triangles. Now we're going to try the shoe fly quilt code. This time we only need 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was kind of easy. Up next, we're going to try the monkey wrench. This one's a little different. It has 4 triangles like the last pattern, but it also has 4 rectangles. I'll leave my triangles there. Now I need to make 4 rectangles out of 2 squares. First, you fold it in half. Cut carefully. Put it into place. Get the second square. Fold it in half. Cut carefully. Put it into place. There you have it, monkey wrench. Up next, the star. I need to cut 4 large triangles into 8 small triangles. Fold them in half at the point. Cut carefully. Fold in half again. Cut carefully. Again. Almost done. Here we go. Now this pattern is a little trickier, so you have to pay close attention. Start in a corner. There's 1, 2, 3, what? Oh, no, yes. Okay. There you go. And there. Today on your tray, you'll have all your shapes cut that you need to create all 6 patterns. Enjoy!